Hey guys, it's your loan officer, Linda here. And I often get the question of, I want to buy a home. What do I need to get started? Before you can eat an elephant, you got to take small bites, right? So the first step of getting started is the initial consultation. Or that's a fancy word of just saying, having a call with me. Let's talk about a few things. And in that call, we're getting to know each other. And I'm asking questions, but I'm asking specific questions because I want to learn certain things. For example, what your motivation to buy is. Everybody is going to have a different motivation. Are you buying this home as a rental property? Are you looking to relocate? Your specific scenario is going to be incredibly unique to you. So don't assume that there's one blanket answer or motivation to buy. I want to know what your time frame is. Are you looking to get prepared in the next 6 months to a year? You're waiting for your lease to be over so you don't have to renew it and you just move into a home that you've purchased? Or is a time frame 30 days because you need to get out and you're moving? That's important to me because what your answer is going to be how I set up your loan. I want to know what home type you're looking at. Are you looking at a single family residence, a townhome, or a condo, manufactured homes? Those are all really important questions. In that conversation, I'm going to ask you about your family's support. You may be going on the loan by yourself or you want to, but would your family be able to gift you any money if needed? Do we have the option for somebody to co-sign on the loan if you wanted to purchase more or your income isn't able to support what you can or what you want to buy? Family support in the home buying transaction is incredibly important. I want to talk about your comfortable monthly payment. Just because you can qualify for it doesn't mean that that's what your comfortable monthly payment is going to be. So that's one thing that I'm going to ask you. I want to establish realistic expectations. Oftentimes, everybody wants the $500,000 house for the $1,000 payment. That may be possible, but that's not always realistic. So let's talk about that and how we get you to your goals. 3 pieces of information that I look for when I'm looking at somebody for a pre-approval. And the 3 most basic things that hold up a home loan. We look at income, assets, credit. Income is how much you make per month. Gross. If you're a W-2, we look at before they start taking everything out. Assets, how much do you have for the home buying process? Anything that you may have left over. We count those as reserves because we want to know once you buy the home, how much do you have as, extra income should you need it? Credit. We not only look at the credit score, we look at the depth of credit. So we look at the minimum monthly payments that you're obligated to pay. That's what we measure towards your income. We call that the debt to income ratio. And then this is going to be the difference between a pre-approval and a full loan approval. Pre-approval is looking at your ability to qualify. We look at the income, assets, credit of your financial position. And once you're pre-approved, you go out shopping with your realtor. You guys identify and find the right home that you want to go into to buy. You go into contract with, you want to buy. So in order for a full loan approval, we're going to need all of that verified, right? Ideally, we would have already done this in the pre-approval process. You've given me your income documents, your bank statements, and we've already ran your credit. Then, in order to get a full loan approval, we need the collateral to be sufficient, meaning that it is appraised for the purchase price that you're buying the home. It's not a money pit where there's going to be, major repairs that you need to make. And they're, taxes, insurance, or all of that lines up. So we need your information and the home to be sufficient collateral for us to be able to close on that loan. So you guys have any questions? Everybody's scenario is going to be a little bit unique and different. And so there's no blanket term for what you can qualify for, because it's going to be unique to you. So 702-574-1877. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You can reach out to me anytime. We'll talk to you soon.